we proudly present WeNat Speech, Yue, a large-scale Cantonese speech corpus with multidimensional annotation. Cantonese, a major Chinese dialect spoken by approximately 85 million people worldwide, still lacks sufficient resources for speech technology. To support related research and system development, we now officially release WeNat Speech, Yue, the first large-scale Cantonese speech corpus with multi-dimensional annotations. The corpus contains 21,800 hours of speech across 10 domains, with rich annotations including high-quality transcriptions obtained by fusing outputs from multiple ASR systems, text confidence, speaker identity, age, gender, and speech quality scores. We also release WS Yue Eval, a comprehensive Cantonese benchmark consisting of WS Yue ASR Eval and WS Yue TTS Eval, designed for systematic evaluation of Cantonese speech recognition and speech synthesis. Experiments show that models trained on WeNat Speech Yue achieve state-of-the-art performance in both Cantonese, ASR, and TTS, even competitive with proprietary commercial systems. Next, we will showcase the Cantonese ASR results based on WeNat Speech Yue. First, we present several audio clips along with their transcription results.
如果大家鍾意呢條片，記住 like、share 同埋訂閱我個 channel， 記得撳埋個鐘仔。如果想俾 comment， 記住喺下面留言。咁我哋下條片見啦。
劉錦玲、鄭子誠、姚秀玲、林有榮、翟耀輝、譚翠蓮、莫家駒聯合播演《靈感追兇》第一回，現在開始播出。
小人婦女係江湖草莽，唔敢同公子較量。
Next, we present a classic movie clip from the film Flirting Scholar, 唐伯虎點秋香, to demonstrate the model's transcription performance in real-world conditions.
一鄉二里共三夫，只不識四書五經六義，竟敢教七八九子，十分大膽。
十室九貧湊得8兩7錢6分5毫4厘，又且三心兩意一等下流。
好工整喎。
We have just seen the ASR results. Now, let's move on to the TTS demonstrations. Below, we showcase the synthetic audio generated by Cozy Voice 2 and Cozy Voice 2 Yue. 你講笑啦，點會有近海事發生喺我哋身上啫？你講笑啦，點會有咁嘅事發生喺我哋身上啫？天文台話受強烈季候風影響，未來幾日氣溫會明顯下降，市民要注意保暖。天文台話受強烈季候風影響，未來幾日氣溫會明顯下降，市民要注意保暖。隻貓走咗，我好冇捨得佢，成日都想起佢。隻貓走咗，我好唔捨得佢，成日都諗起佢。Next, we will present more capabilities of our TTS model. 為咗配合市區道路維修工程，運輸署宣布，由下星期一凌晨0時起，彌敦道部分路段會分階段封閉，預計工程會持續至下月15號。期間，請駕駛人士留意交通改道安排，並遵從現場工作人員指示，以免影響行車安全。Harbour City 最近開咗新嘅咖啡店，好多人排隊。以前有個小朋友，佢好鍾意幫人。有一日，佢喺街市見到個婆婆拎住好重嘅菜，佢就主動幫手。婆婆好感激佢。
前不見古人，後不見來者，念天地之悠悠，獨蒼然而涕下。嚴嵩，明朝歷史上唯一一個20年牢牢掌住內閣嘅首輔，歷史認定佢係奸臣之首。佢喺朝廷黨羽遍佈，權勢滔天。但係就算最後家產俾人抄晒，個仔俾人斬咗頭，佢都能夠獨身保命，一直安然無恙，直到壽終正寢。
Next, we will hear Mandarin speaker Tai Zhenren and English speaker Donald Trump speaking in Cantonese.
對， 这就是我万人敬仰的太乙真人。突然，身邊傳嚟一陣笑聲，我望住佢哋，意氣風發咁鬧住個膊，甩咗對有啲肉嘅手臂，輕輕笑住講：我身上啲肉係用嚟掩飾我爆棚嘅魅力，唔係嘅話，豈唔係嚇親你哋啊？
Tonight, I want to speak with you about our nation's unprecedented response. 大家好，我係特朗普。我哋嘅團隊而家做緊啲重要嘅計劃，目標就係令美國再次偉大。
Next, we present a casual conversation between two speakers.
喂，今日食咗飯未啊？
未啊，我啱啱收工，好肚餓。你呢？
我就食咗個飯團，唔多夠，不如一齊去搵啲嘢食啦。
去啦，行下街，吹下風，都幾好。
咦，呢排你點解咁忙啊？
公司啲項目多到飛起，每日加班到夜晚10點。
哇，咁辛苦，要唔要我幫你拎嘢或者買杯咖啡？
你真係好貼心，不過唔好意思麻煩你啦。Finally, we showcased the TTS dubbing for the classic movie clips that were played earlier.
一鄉二里共三夫子不識四書五經六義，竟敢夠七八九子，十分大膽。
十室九貧湊得8兩7錢6分5毫4厘，尚且三心兩意一等下流。
好工整喎！
大家好，我係謝老師。靠住我哋實驗室發佈嘅粵語數據同訓練嘅模型，而家我可以用標準粵語同大家傾偈啦。希望大家鍾意我哋發佈嘅粵語數據，多啲用，多啲支持，多啲比例。